Hi, good morning. It's another beautiful day here in Circle B Bar, and no mist this morning, but also fewer photographers since it's a weekday. I was here yesterday and that was a Sunday, so it was quite a lot of people here. But also in the background you can hear the traffic much more this morning, but win some, lose some. I spotted this heron picking up sticks and flying off, and that usually means that they are building a nest somewhere, and wasn't that far away. Unfortunately I couldn't see the nest itself, but I found a spot where I could see the flight zone in and out to the nest, so I tried to sit there and wait for a while, see if I can get any shots, and here's what I got. As I mentioned in the last video, exposing for the highlights and letting the background get almost black or very dark, even if the bird is dark itself, makes your brain make the puzzle of the outlines and the highlights and make it a bird. So that could be a better photo than giving the whole bird full exposure and look kind of flat. So here's another example of exposing for the highlights can change the photo. So if I can do this on the while filming here, stopping down. It takes away the background clutter, and with the right setting when you take the photo you will get the bird to show but not the background. Here's the final result. It's so good when you find a bench in the shadow. Oh man, it's getting really hot right now. I've been walking around here for about 4 hours, and luckily there's a slight wind cooling me down. Otherwise this had been really too hot for me today. So anyway, it's about 11 o'clock and I'm heading back to my hotel, getting something to eat and get some rest before heading out in this afternoon again. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Yeah, so I'm back after a short rest and something to eat. When I stepped out of the car, I realized it's quite hot, so it's about 28 degrees Celsius. So that's a difference outside and inside the car with the air condition. So let's head out there. These oaks are so fascinating, how they grow in a horizontal way. Some trees back home, they grow straight up, but these trees, they just lean on any direction. And with the Spanish moss, I think they are really beautiful. Since the sun is still warm, the sun is still up and it's quite warm, I will start off with the tree frog trail through the forest up towards the heron hideout, the northern part here. Hopefully see something in the shades, and then I will go south down to the lake. I hope this heron is okay. He's doing something with one of his wings. Never seen a heron do it like that before. One advantage coming here in the afternoon is it is less people here, but there's also less wildlife. So right now I haven't seen anyone for a while, and just a few birds and some alligators. So hopefully we'll see something further on. So this alligator track was fresh, it was still wet, and it's a good reminder that this is their territory, not mine. So I'm at the end of Alligator Alley, and that feels good. Sun is just about to set, and it's just going to get dark any minute now. And now all I have to do is get through the forest to the parking lot. Lots of gators in the lake. Some gators have just passed this alley you can see behind me, so it's good to leave that behind. Hopefully you don't meet up with any alligators in the forest, but you never know. So another long day has come to its end here at Circle B Bar. I'm back at the parking lot, all safe and sound. Did see a furrow pig up in the tall grass, but I couldn't get any good shot. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, subscribe, give it a like, write a comment. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.